Let's speak now to TRT World's editor-at-large, Ahmet Alioglu, who is outside the Saudi consulate in Istanbul. So, Ahmet, tell us what happened overnight.
Rachel, overnight the investigative team was able eventually to get into the residence of the Consul General Mohammed Al-Ataibi after being denied access yesterday. And later on they've moved. We understood that they've moved again after spending at least 9 hours in the consulate residence to the building behind me, and that is the consulate where it is believed to be the scene of the crime. They've also investigated it for a second round, and they've collected whatever samples they're looking for. We understood they've used sniff dogs, they've used drones even in the process, and now everybody is waiting for the Attorney General, for the investigative team to come out with the report they have. They're going to put all the pieces of the jigsaw together, and everybody is waiting for them to solve the puzzle of the disappearance of Jamal Khashoggi.
So the investigation has clearly stepped up. Do you have any idea when we'll see any of those conclusions or findings?
President Erdogan, surely, Rachel said that he is not going to abandon, or Turkey is not going to abandon this case unless they reveal everything to the public, and that will be very soon, as we understood from different people we've been talking to. Now, the problem is, it seems that the whole case starts and ends, the beginnings and the endings starts and end in Saudi Arabia. Now, the problem is still if Saudi Arabia was the ultimate goal, or the one who perpetrated this or gave the order to the that squad, that hit squad, then that is the consequences will be very unexpected. What exactly is going to happen? The opposing and conflicting rhetoric coming out from Riyadh is very confusing. Till this moment, they started by a complete denial, and they said he left the consulate building. Later on, they're speaking about him being killed when an interrogation went wrong, and later on the theory of the rogue killers, and now it seems that everybody is looking for a scapegoat, as the Washington Post released recently. So it's very complicated. It depends completely on the Attorney General of Turkey and what kind of report he is going to issue.
All right, Ahmet Alioglu live outside the Saudi consulate in Istanbul.